sun, honestly.
At least the weather's nice today.
You lucky. You brought water. I forget mine.
Here, I will share.
Wait, imagine if this was the water we had to drink.
Ew, don't even say that.
But honestly, some people actually live with the water like that.
And the crazier thing is, water pollution is getting worse every year.
I still don't get why people throw trash in the river.
Cause some people think one piece of trash no matter.
But when millions of people think the same way, its water becomes polluted.
A few days ago, we watched a video about water pollution.
And it made us realize how serious this issue actually is.
So, what is water pollution?
Water pollution is dirty or unsafe water.
Sometimes the pollution is visible, like plastic, garbage, or oil floating in rivers and ocean.
But sometimes polluted water looks clean even though it contains harmful chemicals or germs.
And because of that, polluted water can make people sick.
That's why polluted water is unsafe for drinking. The video gave a really simple example. Imagine someone gives you 2 jars of water. One jar contains clean water from acidic water,
And the second jar contains dirty water from a rain gutter filled with plastic and trash.
Of course, most people would choose the clean water.
Because naturally, we know polluted water is dangerous.
There are many causes of water pollution. Some pollution happens naturally because of floods, storm, or volcanic eruption.
but according to the video, most water pollution is caused by humans. For example, sewage, littering, fertilizers from farms, factory waste, and chemicals. Sometimes pollution flows directly into rivers or oceans from factories.
And sometimes rainwater mixed with chemicals and garbage then carries the pollution into lakes, river, and ocean.
The pollution also harms aquatic life and damages the environment.
One important thing from the video is that clean-looking water is not always safe.
For example, water from lakes, river, or streams may look clean.
But it still needs to be purified or boiled before drinking.
So we should always be careful about where our water comes from.
The video also shares some surprising facts. Nearly 17 billion pounds of plastic are dumped into the ocean every year.
And even though almost 70% of Earth is covered by water, only a small amount of it is fresh water that humans can drink.
Another sad fact is that over 1 billion people still do not have access to clean water.
That's why clean water is actually very precious.
So, what can we do to help?
There are many simple ways. First, reduce water waste. For example, take shorter showers and turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth.
Second, recycle and throw trash into their proper place.
We can also reuse items like reusable bags and reusable straw instead of plastic one.
And never throw oil paint, chemicals, or medicine into sinks or toilets. planting more trees and flowers can also help protect the environment.
These small actions may look simple, but they can make a big difference. In my opinion, water pollution is a serious problem because clean water is important for everyone.
I think many people still underestimate the effects of littering and plastic waste.
This topic reminded me that protecting water also means protecting human, animals, and nature.
And I believe change can start from small habits in our daily lives.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, and let's keep our water clean for a better future.